Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello everybody, checking in on silver on the daily, weekly, and shorter term time frames. So we're trading fairly sideways here. We can see 2050, a psychological resistance level, has rejected the last 6 attempts on the daily time frame. We are still holding the 10-day moving average support of 2018, and we can see early next week we're either going to break 2050 to the upside or lose the 10-day moving average support, which is going to have us looking down to the low of this consolidation down at 1928. So the weekly time frame for silver did form a bearish reversal spinning top today, or this week I should say. Last week, the long upper wick showed some profit taking. We did backtest and hold this 200-week moving average support of 2006, and we are still holding the upper Bollinger Band in breakout mode. So we're going to be watching next week. Need to update this upper Bollinger Band, see if it continues to stay as support. And if we do lose that 10-day moving average support, and we lose this 200-week moving average, we are going to look for a fairly significant pullback in terms of this consolidation. If we maintain this 200-week support for, let's say, 2 or 3 weeks while we trade sideways, consolidate a little bit, that will be a great sign for the bulls establishing a new higher low at the $20 level. So silver on the hourly chart made a bearish break at the end of the day. This is a pattern I've been watching with the lower highs on the hourly and some higher lows. And when you're comparing gold and silver, silver is by far more bullish than gold. We had the low, both of them had a dump back a week before yesterday, a week before Friday. On the data that was released, we had a huge dump and then a rally. And you can see silver is still well above these levels. Gold already broke the support that it set on that Friday, so gold is already below that level. Silver is still multiple percent above it. So silver standing out as a bull compared to gold. We did have a bearish breakout of this channel at the end of the day on Friday, but then you can see the after hours Turkey coup action. Bullish reversal hammer confirmed in a big way. So we're back in this channel, and it's going to take 2050 for me. Look at all these rejections on the hourly. About 3 times as many rejections on the hourly as we see on the daily time frame. Inability to close above that level, and we're still forming these lower highs. Even though we are seeing a bullish break here, it's still a lower high compared to 2036, 2039, and then up here 2061 was a high that we hit. Close to a breakout there, but you can see we need to wait till the candlestick closes. Maintained bearish within that channel and then pulled back. So 2050 is the line in the sand for the bulls to prove themselves to me, and we'll be watching to see if this Turkish bullish action on the precious metals carries over into early next week, and we'll certainly be back to check in with that on Monday. I appreciate you watching and hope you have a great weekend.